things that kids my age can do. Today I'm going to make cupcakes frosting for fun and show you how to do it too. We're going to need cake mix, water, oil, and eggs. And make sure you always have an adult around or parent to help you preheat the oven in with the hot stuff. On the back of the box, it says the amounts of what the ingredients are. Have an adult preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. We're going to mix the ingredients together. Open the box. If you need help, ask an adult. Fill up the bag of cake mix. Shake it so all the cake mix goes down and it will not splatter all over your other ingredients. Pour the cake mix into the bowl. Shake it so all the ingredients goes down. Now we're going to add our eggs. You'll need 3 eggs. Smash the eggs onto a hard surface and make sure no shells go in. Now we're going to add our oil. Make sure all the oil drips in the bowl. Now we add our water. Do the same with the water. Make sure all the water goes into the bowl. Now we're going to use the mixer or a spoon to mix it up until it's soft. Moistened. Mix batter until in medium for 2 minutes on medium speed. Once it's done. Make sure your pan is full of cupcake wrappers if you are going to make cupcakes. Use a 1/4 of a cup measuring spoon. You're going to scoop a good amount of cake batter. You need to wipe it off with your spatula. Wipe off the excess batter. And if there's drips still going, and you want to hurry up, you can easily just wipe it away. And then you're going to carefully pour it into a cupcake paper. And use your spatula to scrape excess batter into the cupcake wrappers. carefully pour each cupcake batter measurement into the cupcake wrapper. Now have an adult put the cupcakes in the oven for 20 minutes. Have an adult take them out of the oven and then let them cool a little bit. To make the frosting, we will need a half cup of soft butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, a half cup of vanilla, and 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of milk. And we will blend those ingredients together. First, we add the vanilla and the milk. Make sure all of it has dripped into the dish or bowl, whichever you use. Then, carefully unwrap the butter. Now I've added the butter. Now we can add, we need to turn it on. Stick it in. Put at low speed. Then you are going to slowly pour in the powdered sugar. Now we're going to carefully spread frosting on cupcakes. You can divide the frosting amongst cupcakes and then start to frost them. Thank you for watching Hello Sunshine with Wynonna. I hope you enjoyed making cupcakes with me and that you try this yourself. Please like and subscribe. Come back for more cool videos.